Hi guys,
Hey,
what's going on?
hey guys, I'm here with fan collector Christian. What's your YouTube channel, Christian?
Fantastic Fans, capital F-A-N, and then Tastic Fans. It's a joke.
And we're
channel.
gonna test a few of his fans on a few of my fans on his test rig. But before we did that, I wanted to shoot the fan that he currently has on his test rig. It's an Emerson Hardwood, right?
Northwind Hardwood. The later Hardwood was made whoever Emerson used when Emerson just did it. This one is made by Alaska here. This one is mid to late 80s. And this one they called it the Northwind Hardwood until about like 95, I'd say, somewhere around there.
Okay.
Just a ballpark. But yeah, I got this for free off Marketplace.
Nice.
It's nice. And my dad drove pretty far to get it. But
that was very nice of him.
Yeah, I know, it really was.
Put it to low. This has a cast motor. It was made by Alaska.
Yeah, I haven't plugged it in. It'll start up here.
They do work better when you plug them in.
Yeah, definitely. You get some airflow that way. Unless you just hire somebody to turn the fan all day. Which, I think in Egypt, they used the Queen Cleopatra used to have people fanning her with them palm leaves. I think that was the inspiration for the Punka by Fanimation.
That's true. It also actually happened in the southern U.S. during slavery.
Oh my!
They would have slaves doing that.
Well, that's not good.
And those were wooden instead of palm leaves, and you still see them in some southern plantation homes.
Yeah, probably just as decoration. I wonder how many people realize what they've got.
Yeah. Well, you want to take it to medium?
Absolutely. Yeah, this one got a little bit of a hum when it starts up, but otherwise it is.
I don't hear anything.
Well, my
Wait,
ears.
This is not low, medium, high?
No, it's not. That is something very strange.
Good airflow. I'm getting a good airflow from right here.
Cleveland fan collector. He was talking about this.
I know him, Brian. What is his last? Peterson.
Yeah, he was saying that Emerson did this because they wanted it to be like this, but some of the later ones did start low, medium.
You want to take it to high?
Absolutely. There's a minor wobble, not bad. The arms are in great shape.
It seems to be in pretty good shape to me. I believe these were also sold at Great Fans, aka Dan's Fan City, because you find them a lot in this area.
Oh yeah, I feel like I did get pretty lucky. We don't have many originals, but nah.
Yeah, originals are a lot more common in the South.
Exactly, but hey, I've got two great ones here, so that's all I want. So.
Okay, well, you ready for spin down?
Yeah, absolutely. This one, the bearings aren't terrible, so I just kicked my tripod. That's a usual occurrence all the time.
Oh.
You know, my fans will know that because I don't know. It's tight and I'm tall and I trip. Luckily, not with the fans. I take extra precaution when I'm around fans. But yeah, it doesn't take too long. Bearings are mostly quiet. They won't need to be replaced for a while. So
yeah.
That's nice.
No, it seems to be a really good runner.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I remember Brian saying these were a little bit slower, and I do see that in mine as well.
Doesn't seem slow to me.
Well, I turn stuff on high speed. It's not as fast as some other ones.
It seems pretty fast to me, but what do I know?
I don't know. That's just what I've seen in the videos. I don't know. I don't know. I can't really gauge RPMs too well.
I'm not good at it either.
No.
Some fan collectors can just look at it and say, that's going 205.
I'm like,
nope, that's not me.
Like, what do? Just count the blades going by like super fast? It's like
I think some people have that gift. I really do.
I don't know. I mean, I have the gift of hearing fans. My hearing is so sensitive with ceiling fans. I remember I was at one of the local showrooms around here.
Want to take it to reverse?
Absolutely. Yeah, let's do that. I haven't tested it on reverse. When I got it, the reverse switch was in the middle. And I was like, oh my god, is my fan dead? But then I realized I bumped it.
Okay.
So that's good. But it seems to run in reverse, which is nice. But, yeah, I remember they were, back to what I was saying, they were...
well, why don't you take it to medium?
All right, wonderful. Yeah, why don't I just stay in the back?
Yeah, so. I'm trying to, like, go through it quickly enough that we can have time to do some other fans, too. Sure. I know you've got a lot to say.
That is a big problem.
Well, I like to talk about fans too, so it's perfectly okay.
Yeah, what they were saying was DC Motors. They've got this. I'm gonna take it to high now. They've got this this sound to them. Now, my friend who owns the store, he probably 40s, 50s. He can't hear it, but the young guys he's got working there, they can all hear
What store is this?
Fan Man.
Oh, yeah, I know Fan Man.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think that we've shown everything we can on this fan.
Yeah, and I think we've seen spin down.
We have seen spin down, so Christian and I are going to do some more fan videos, so keep watching.